let me show you how we can count how many times certain text appears in your table in numbers for Mac. So here I am, and in my table on the second column somebody typed yes, yes, yes next to certain numbers. I want to know how many of those yeses do I have in total. For that I can create a formula here at the bottom. Start by equal sign, then you can type COUNTIF. That's the formula you need. If you got troubles typing this in, you can also search for it here on the list on the right side. So COUNTIF, click on that, and now you can select test array. So you select the whole column and the condition. So the condition is our text yes. So quotes, yes, end of the quote, and now confirm with the OK. And from now on, this will be searching for yes. So if I type no, nothing changed here. But if I type yes, it's +1 to this bottom row. All right, so that's how you can do it. Simply use the formula called COUNTIF, select the range, and then type the word that you are searching for. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.